minds. Still the rhythm never dies. Reggae swing in a war machine. Something holy in between. Hear it knocking in my chest. This is more than just unrest. We are still and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. We are the sound that conquers all. Neon bleeding on cracked ground. Still I worship that ancient sound. Every strike of hand on skin feels like revolution within. Guitar cries like falling rain. Bassline carries all the pain. From the dirt to skyline high, we are born to never die. Feel the rhythm take control. It's rewriting every soul. We are still and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. Hey! Rise, break, ignite in the dark, we claim the light. From the roots we take our stand. Drum and steel across the land. No control, no machine. We are the sound between the same. Earth and fire, blood and stone. We rise up, we're not alone. We are still in sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe thunder, metal roar. We are something so much more. No chains left, no final call. We are the sound that breaks it all. We are the sound that breaks it ancient thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Gang step broken on crack concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage, turn are more than flesh and stone. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside the fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. Voices buried in endless night. Djembe calling from underground. Ancient thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Gangsta broken on cracked concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't never sacred.